Welcome back to Learn a Fluent English through direct method. My dear students, I always talk about direct method. Why do I talk about direct method all the time? Because direct method is the only way by which we can become extremely fluent. But unfortunately, in India, 99% teachers are using bilingual method. It's very dangerous. And by using bilingual method, the students can never become true fluent in English speaking. In Maharashtra, the teachers teach Marathi plus English. In Gujarat, Gujarati plus English. In Tamil Nadu, Tamil plus English. In Kerala, Malayalam plus English. In North India, English plus Hindi. This is the biggest problem. Unfortunately, even the teachers do not understand the importance of direct method. I am just going to share my own experience about direct method. I was appointed a teacher in the school in Mumbai. In the interview, I had discussed that I would teach in English to English, not English to any other language. So the director and the principal became very happy and they appointed me gladly in their school. I started teaching. First day the students enjoyed my teaching, listened, but from the second day they started opposing me. They first requested me to explain in their own language, either in Marathi or in Hindi. But I told them flatly that I would teach English to English. Then they again requested, but I did not follow them. Because I told them, I am a teacher. You are students. You are in the classroom and you are learning from me. I am not learning from you. Then they approached to the principal and the principal told the students, no, the sir would teach only in English to English. I became very happy because the principals supported me. And then they talked to the director. The director also told them, no. Sir would teach only in English. Direct method is the best method and you have to learn from him. Then they brought their parents and they talked to me, but I talked to them only in English. So actually it was the month of August, so they continued in that school. They did not withdraw their students from the school and they planned to withdraw their children from that school next year. But what happened? After 2 months, the same parents and the teachers, all teachers and the students, they came to me and thanked me. And even the director of the school thanked me, sir, your method is super. Wow, what happened? In the beginning, direct method is very boring. 7 days or 15 days or 1 month. But if you listen continuously and if you talk continuously in English, then you start getting understanding it. In the beginning, you are not comfortable with direct method. You will, because you do not understand what is being said to you. But gradually, you pick up English language. So the same students became very happy and they thanked me, and some parents brought me sweets and said, sir, sorry sir, we did not behave well with you. But I didn't say them because I had already understood well that direct method is the only method by which one can become superbly fluent. So this is my message to all the respected teachers and the students who want to learn English. Please learn English through direct method. And my request to the teachers is this: don't follow the instructions given by the students, because they want to stay in the comfort zone. They don't want to study. Even some parents want them to stay in the comfort zone. So apply your own idea. What is the idea that I have already applied in Mumbai and in many cities of India? That is direct method. If the students oppose them, tell them flatly, clearly, you are a student, sit at the chair, I am the teacher. I will not follow your instructions. I know how to teach. And when the parents will come, tell the same thing to them in English, not in their language, in Marathi, Gujarati or Kannada. No, in English. This will work. And please talk to me about the result after 2 or 3 months. 3 months. Okay? My mobile number is 9179653494. I hope you will talk to me when the results will come. Thank you very much.